That's just about a golden rule.
Alright, what is good with y'all boys and girls, man? It is your boy Jens. We are back with another video. Now I want to get a chance to tell y'all happy Christmas, man. I didn't get to tell y'all verbally, so yeah, I made a little community post and all that, but yeah, and Merry New Year. This is gonna be the last video of the year, man. This year has just went by like that, bro. Like, man, that's crazy. But I'm gonna tell y'all that with the video that's gonna come out at the start of the year, so yeah, y'all just stay tuned for that. But today I will be showing y'all how to do a burnout in an all-wheel drive Dodge Charger, and it's gonna be the same thing for the challenges too. We got the same fuse box, and how to turn your all-wheel drive car into a wheel-wheel drive. So yeah, this was one of the first videos that actually got like some views on my channel. So yeah, I just want to do a little updated version of it so I can tell y'all like things I've been going through, like stuff I done read, seen, all that stuff. So all right, so one of the questions that I've been seeing the most is, does this void your warranty? I literally don't know, so I'm not going to give y'all a permanent answer on yes or no. So I'm not finna just sit up here and tell y'all the wrong thing because I don't know. You're literally just taking a fuse out. I mean, if they know, they know. If they don't, they don't. I'm pretty sure they won't unless you tell them or unless you fuck something up. So I mean, hey, it's on you. Just don't say I told you to do it because I don't know. So yeah, that's one. Another question I have been asked is, can I drift with the fuses out? Yes, you can drift. It's the same thing as doing a burnout. You just turn your wheel, all that. So yeah, that's that. All right, now another question is, can you turn off the service all-wheel drive light? Now some people won't know what I'm talking about if you're just now doing this, but I will show y'all that in a minute. It is a fuse that you can pull out. I don't remember which one it is, but if you just pull that one out by itself, then that light won't come up. And if you pull out both of them, the light will come up. But I'm going to show y'all that in a minute if you don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Now the last question, will this mess up your front differential? Yes, it will. Y'all know Dodge cars are fragile, bro. You can literally mess up without even not trying to mess up your car. I mean, just like I can count on my fingers how many times I've pulled those two fuses out to like do a burnout or a donut or something. I mean, yeah, bro, you shouldn't be just wanting to pull it out because it is an all-wheel drive car and that will mess up your car. It can like cause problems with your all-wheel drive, like switching the all-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive. So yeah, me personally, I haven't ran into any problems because I don't beat my car up because this is my daily driver. All right, and with that being said, let's get to showing y'all how to do a burnout in all-wheel drive. And all right, this is for the people that don't know how to burn out at all. I'm finna show y'all right here. So I'm just finna come turn the car on. All right, let me turn the heat off. This right here is the traction button. So if you just press this one time, that's not what we're looking for. Traction control sport is gonna come up. All right, now if you hold it for 10 seconds, we're gonna hold it down for 10 seconds. And boom, now our traction is all the way turned off. You hold it down for 10 seconds, this gonna pop up. That's gonna be up there. Well, it's literally gonna be up there for both of them, but you want to hold it down so you can turn the traction all the way off, right? So yeah, we got that now. Now I'm gonna turn the car off so I can show y'all what to do with y'all feet. And if you know what you're doing, you can just put your car in manual and you can play with these, but you literally just leave it in one or go up to two. So now you come down here, you're gonna put your left foot on the brake. You're gonna hold this down, bro. And I'm gonna pop a video up of me doing this while I'm doing a burnout over there. So left foot smash down on it. And right foot, you're just gonna punch it, and then boom, your car is gonna get the jerking and all that, and then boom, you're in the burnout. It's literally just that easy. But bro, do not let go of the steering wheel if you're gonna do that, because I've seen somebody comment on my video saying that it was so hard to do this, and it's literally not hard at all. But I mean, yeah, so now I'm finna show y'all the fuses that we have to pull to actually do the burnout. So yeah, let's get straight into that. All right, so you're gonna come right here. This is how you pop the hood. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do that. Pull that. Come around. Open up the hood. And this is your fuse box right here. It's right by the engine. Fuse box. And you grab this little pulley thing right here. So, let me turn this around. All right, now the fuses that you're looking to pull is gonna be F48, which is gonna be this 10. There's literally only two of them right here, unless y'all car did something different. So it's gonna be this 10, and you're gonna come up top. It's gonna be this row, and you're gonna look for F9, which is gonna be this 20 right here. It's literally, both of them are literally on the end. So boom, you pull both of those. Put them somewhere you ain't gonna lose them. Boom, both of those are out. Come back around. Gonna start your car. And service all-wheel drive. That's how you know you pull both of them and your car is now in rear-wheel drive. So we're gonna go down to vehicle info and we're gonna go to this, and boom, car is in rear-wheel drive. So yeah, bro, it's literally that easy. All right, and what I was talking about was if you leave F48 in, come back around. You see the service all-wheel drive is off and your car is still in rear-wheel drive. So you can literally just pull one of those and god dang, my screen is dirty. Need to clean this up, y'all. But your car is still in rear-wheel drive and you have no service all-wheel drive up there. So yeah, bro, it's literally that easy. So yeah, now guys, it's just time to do the burnout. Finna go over there and show y'all me doing the burnout. So yeah, it's literally that easy, bro. I just turned my all-wheel drive Dodge Charger into a rear-wheel drive Dodge Charger. So hey, now we're just like the rest of them for real now, bro. So yeah, if y'all found this helpful, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, it is your boy, that boy Jens. We're out. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.